This is Sensor Studio with Sangsi's Clouds, bringing quick updates on the Middle East war. U.S. Central Command released airstrike footage and said that since Operation Epic Fury began, U.S. forces have hit over 10,000 Iranian targets. Iran's Deputy Health Minister, Ali Jafaria, told Al Jazeera that at least 1,937 people have died in the war. He added that among the victims, 240 were women and 212 were children. In central Israel, Iranian-made cluster munitions fell on residential areas, causing a vehicle to overturn. A Hezbollah drone was also recently seen freely flying over northern Israel. Iranian Army Ground Forces commander, Brigadier General Ali Jahan Shahi, warned that ground warfare would be more dangerous and costly for the enemy. He was also seen bravely inspecting his units and shaking hands with soldiers. The Tehran branch of Iran's Islamic Revolutionary Guard Corps is encouraging 12 and 13-year-olds to volunteer for military service. According to Axios, the U.S. Department of War is considering military options to deliver a final blow to Iran. This could include the deployment of large ground forces and large-scale bombing operations. President Trump said he didn't need NATO's help, but wouldn't forget they offered no assistance. President Trump said he avoids calling the conflict with Iran a war since it needs congressional approval. Israel has received 8,000 tons of weapons and military equipment since the war with Iran began, according to the Israeli Ministry of Defense. Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim of Malaysia said that after discussions with leaders from Iran, Egypt, Turkey, and others, Malaysian ships can now pass through the Strait of Hormuz. Russia denied sending military supplies to Iran. Meanwhile, Kremlin spokesperson Dmitry Peskov told reporters who asked such questions that the media lies too much these days. The South Korean government has decided to participate in a multinational meeting to discuss navigation issues in the Strait of Hormuz at the request of France. Turkey has withdrawn all its troops from Iraq. The Pakistani foreign minister stated that indirect talks are currently underway between the United States and Iran. The Secretary General of the Gulf Cooperation Council suggested that both sides should avoid attacking each other's nuclear facilities. If there is more news, I will make and upload another video. This is the end of the video. Thank you.